Subquery for more than one column. So let us start from EMP where suppose I take a column C1 and I take a column C2. Then what will happen? Then what will happen, guys? In what we will write? We'll write the same thing in the inner query. What I will write? Select. Same order way we have to write. Select. What we have to write? C1, comma C2. From which table? From different table. Suppose table 2. So what is happening, guys? If there are multiple columns, then we have to reuse the columns in the inner query in the same way it is present in the outer query. Did you understood subquery for multiple column? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
This is what you were asking, Sangeeta. Sangeeta, are you speaking in mute? That's fine. Shama, did you understood?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so I don't know, Sangeeta is speaking in mute. Sangeeta, are you speaking in mute?
Yes.
Please unmute and speak, okay? So guys, this is what is this subquery. Any doubts in this subquery, guys? Anyone? This is a subquery means what, guys? Everyone tell me. Query within a query is called as what? Subquery.
Subquery.
First, which query will get executed? Inner query will
Inner query.
get executed. It will give output to which query? Outer query. And
Outer
finally,
query.
which query will get executed? Outer query will
Outer
get
query.
executed.
Executed.
Now, after this guy's subquery, I wanted to start a fresh topic, a new topic called as what? Joins. Okay. So let us start a fresh topic so that you understand and you get some understanding called as joins. So do you know what is a join? Anyone? Any idea? So join is a method to retrieve data from two or more tables. Suppose this is a EMP table. Select star from DEPT. This is the details of the department table. This is the detail of the EMP table. When we want to get the data from 2 table, 3 table, n table, then we will use what? Join. So join is actually a method to retrieve data from 2 or more tables. So first, we have to understand what are the types of join. There is something called as Cartesian join, which is based on the Cartesian product. Cartesian product means what? All the records of table 1 will be multiplied to all the records of table 2. That is called as Cartesian product. That means here how many records are there? Can someone tell me how many records are there?
14 records.
And here how many records are there?
4.
So if I put a Cartesian join, what will be the output? 14 into 4 is how much?
4.
14 into 4 is how much? 56. 14 into 4 is how much? 56. So that is what is the Cartesian join. So let me just give you the notes for that. 1 second, guys. Yes. So first of all, guys, what is a join? If someone will ask you what is a join, what will you tell? What is a join? Join is a method to retrieve data from two or more tables based on the common column. Common column means what? Data in the
In both the tables.
Data in the common column should be same. Data in the common column should be same. Column name can be different. Column name can be different. Okay, this is called as what? The join. Okay. Now, what are the types of join? There is something called as Cartesian join. There is something called as equi or inner join. There is something called as self join, and the last is outer join, which is divided into left outer, right outer, and full outer join. So Cartesian join is based on the Cartesian product. So if you know Cartesian product, this is set A, this is set B. So Cartesian product of set A into set B is 1 will be multiplied to 3, 1 will be multiplied to 4, 2 will be multiplied to 3, 2 will be multiplied to 4, 3 will be multiplied to 3 and 3 will be multiplied to 4. That means how many elements are in set A? Set A elements are 3 elements. In set B, how many elements are there? Can anyone tell me how many elements are there in set B?
2.
2. So the Cartesian product of set A into set B will be what? 3 into 2 is how many elements?
6 elements.
Did you understood Cartesian product? Yes or no, guys?
Yes. Yes.
So, so guys, what will happen is this is called the Cartesian product. So what will happen, guys? Here we will go. This is EMP table. There are 14 records. There's 4 records. So what will be the Cartesian product of table A and table B is? How to write the query? Select a star from EMP. See, there are 2 ways. One is what we'll write the full name, cross join DPT. This will give means how many records? 56 records. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So all the records of table 1 got multiplied to all the records of table 2. This is one way. And the other way is what, guys? You can use what? Comma. Instead of cross join, you can use comma. What you can write? Select a star from EMP, comma, T. This will also give what? 56 records. So both the ways I have told you. So both the ways you should know actually, because there are many places they will use Oracle proprietary method or general method. So what happens in Oracle proprietary method, Oracle proprietary method, what happens? Or there's a general method, what is happens? Select star from table 1, comma, table 2. And Oracle native method, what happened? Select star from table 1, cross join table 2. So this is called as what? Oracle native method. So this is also very, very important. You should know both the methods. Okay. So what happened in cross join? All the records of which table? All the records of table 1 gets multiplied to what? All the records of which table?
Table 2.
Did you understood cross join, guys?
Yes.
But cross join is never used in real time, because cross join, what will happen? All the records of table 1 will be multiplied to all the records of table 2. It will be very, very difficult. So what we will do is we generally use equi-join, because Cartesian join, what happened? We don't write any filter condition here, right? What is the way? Select a star from EMP, comma D. So there is no filter condition. So all the records get multiplied. So what will happen, guys, is here what happens? This is a table EMP here. This is a table called as DPT. Now, cross join, what happens? We don't use in real time, because unnecessarily all the records will be multiplied. We'll use equi-join or inner join or left outer join in real time. So equi-join means what? Wherever the data are matching. So wherever the data are matching, where the data is matching, suppose this is a department 10, it's matching with this department 10, add this and this record. Are you able to understand? Let us understand in a very simple way, okay? So that you don't get any confusion. Let me just go and save this diagrams. So guys, just see here, this is table 1, suppose. This is table 2. Now this is having 2 columns. This is also having 2 columns. Here the column. Here this is the column called as department number. Okay. So this is the column whose name is what? Department number. Let us write down. This is column name is department number. Okay. Here also the column name is what? Department number. So let us just write down. Fine. Here the column name is, suppose, employee name. Okay. Here the e-name or employee name. Here the column name is nothing but the department name, D name. Fine. Now, what will happen, guys? Here, suppose the employee name is A, employee name is B, department name is 10, department number is 20. Here, department name is, suppose, D, department name is E, department number is 10, department number is 30. So now if I put a equi-join or inner join, what will be the output, guys? Suppose I put a equi-join. So whichever the records are matching, suppose this 10 and this 10 is matching. So the output will be what, if I want all the columns from both the tables. If I want selected column, I can get the selected column also. But suppose I want all the columns. So what will happen? There will be a column called as ename. Then there will be a column called as what? Department number. Then there will be a column called as what? Dname. And then there will be a column called as what, guys? Can everyone tell me?
Number.
Department number. Excellent. Now, which is the data matching here? Can someone tell me?
Department number is
Which department number? 10 is matching. Okay. So this 10 and this 10 is matching. So what will happen, guys? What will be the output? Here 10 will be there. Here department name D will be there. Here department number again 10 will be there. And employee name A will be there. Yes or no? So this is the output of equi-join between table 1 and table 2. This 20 and 30 is not matching. They will not return any value. This is called as equi-join. So if you did you understood this diagram? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
If you have understood this diagram, this is our department table. This is our TMP table. Can someone mute your system? I'm getting some disturbance. Everyone mute your system, please. So this is department 10. If I join this department 10 with this department 10, again this department 10 will be joined to this department 10. Again this department 10 will be joined to third department 10. Finally, what will happen? This department 20 will be joined to this 20, this 20, this. This 30 will be joined to all this 30s, but 40 will not be joined. That means, guys, the output will be how many records? Can someone tell me? Can you just think what will be the output, guys?
4.
Tell me, what will be the output, guys?
3.
No. Can anyone else guess the output? Sangeeta, Ramya, Nagarjun, what will be the output?
4.
No. What about others? Guess. Ramya, can you guess? Nagarjun, Sangeeta, can you just guess the output of equi-join? How many records will match? This 10 will match to this 10. This 10 will match to this 10. This 10 will match to this 10. Then this 20 will match to all this 20. This 30 will match. So what will be the output, guys? Can someone tell me? Ramya, Nagarjun, Sangeeta, Shyama?
8, right?
No. How many? 14 records. See here there is how many records? 14 records. Yes or no? So every record will be joined to every record. So what will be the first record? Tell me. It will be 7782. Clerk, manager, all this value, manager number, hire date, salary, commission, department 10, and then here what will come, guys? Can you just tell me what will be here?
Here it will come
10.
Department number 10.
Then
Accounting.
Then
New York.
Similarly, it will come here also or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Similarly, it will come here or not, guys?
Yes.
Are you able to understand? Sangeeta, are you there? Yeah, guys. So this is the output. Ramya, are you understanding?
No, Vikram. Can you get some more time?
Yeah. So see, we have to match. This 10 will be matched to which 10? Tell me.
Department number
Yeah. So here the department number is what?
10.
Here the department number is what?
10.
So will this 10 match to this 10?
Yes.
So after matching, what will happen, guys? It will be joined. Are you able to understand? After matching this 10 and 10, this record will be joined to what? This record. Are you able to understand?
So all the columns of the department table will come here, right?
Whichever is joining, suppose 10 is matching with 10, 10 is matching with 10, 10 is matching with 10, wherever the match is happening. If match is not happening, it will not join. If suppose this 40, will it be joined to anyone? Anywhere you see 40?
No.
So this 10 will be joined to this 10. This 10 will be joined to this 10. This 10 will be joined to this 10. So what will be here? Tell me the output, Ramya. What will be here?
Department number, department name, and location. For
Yeah,
10 means
tell me what will be the department name? Yeah.
accounting and New York. 10 accounting and
Again for here for second record. Same thing.
same
Okay,
only.
for 20, tell me what will be here. For 20,
20
what?
means 20 research and dolls.
How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5
Five
times.
times. 5 times. Okay.
Similarly, for 30, how many times?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times.
What will be here? What will be joined here?
30 sales and Chicago.
Chicago. Fine. Did you understood,
5
guys?
times.
Yes, or no?
Yes.
So
Thanks, Vikram.
your total number of records will be how much after doing equi-join? Will it be 14 records or not? Yes or no?
14 records. 14 records.
Record is not increasing, right? Record is not increasing. It is just getting joined wherever the values are matching. Yes or no?
Correct.
Yes.
So see, this is equi-join. This will be used in real time. So what I am writing, I want all the columns. So what I will write? Select a star
Department number.
from first of all which table? Suppose department table. So what I will write? DEPT, department table. Now what I have to write? I have to give a comma. Now which table I have to join? EMP table. Is it
EMP
fine?
table. Yes.
Now, which is the joining condition, guys? This is called join. Which is the joining condition? Which is the joining column?
Department.
Number.
So what I have to do is I have to write that this department number is from which table, this department number is from which table. So suppose DEPT dot. Are you to understand what I have given here? Can everyone tell me what is this?
Dot.
Dot. This DEPT means this department table dot department number. What does this signifies? Can you tell me?
That department number of department table.
Department table. And this we have to equate with which table? Tell me.
Department number. No, employee dot department number.
We have to
E
equate
dot
with
employee.
yes, EMP table, department number. So what I will write, Ramya? Tell me.
EMP dot
Department.
number. Yes.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So order by, suppose I have written some to make it clear. No, I'm just sorting it. So order by EMP dot department number to make it in a correct way. Okay? So what happened, guys? How the tables are joined? Tell me. This 10 got joined to which 10? This 10 is accounting New York. Got joined to which one? Did it got joined to clerk and manager? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Again, this 10 got joined to which one? Tell me,
Miller.
guys, to king and president. Again, this 10 got joined to which one? Miller and clerk. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Did you understood equi-join?
Yes.
This is just I have sorted it into the department number column to make it more clear and more neat so that you can understand how the join is happening. This is one way, guys. This is called join. This particular column which is joined from department table to EMP table, this is called join actually. There are two tables, we have used one join. If there are 3 tables, we will use 2 joins. If there are 10 tables, we'll use 9 join. Minimum, this is minimum. You can use more, but minimum is this one. So if there are 100 tables, how many joins we will use? Guys, can you just reply to me? If there are 3 tables, we'll use 2 joins minimum. If there are 4 tables, we'll use 3 joins. If there are 5 tables, we will use 4 joins. If there are 100 tables, how many joins we will use?
99.
99 joins. So if there are n tables, how many joins we will use?
N
minus
N minus 1. So minimum we will require is n minus 1 joins. So that is what is the trick. So now this is one way of joining. Now let us see the second way. So there is something called as alias name. Alias name is a common name given. So suppose a nickname given. Suppose in a family there is name of children's like Chintu Bintu. That is a nickname. To make it more simpler, like that we can give in real time. The name of the tables are very, very long. Okay. So to make it more simple, more accurate, what we will do is we are using what we will do is we will make some alias name. We'll give some informal name or the Okay, so what we'll do is we'll do that by using what? We'll use some alias name or some nicknames. Okay, so suppose for EMP tables, how to write the alias name is an informal name can be given to a table or a column. So there is a separate way to give an alias name. Let me just tell you how an alias name is given. So alias name is an informal name given to a column or a table. So what we can do is what table or column alias name can be given. Okay, so how we can give is that first of all we can write column name and as alias name. Are you able to understand? First is what? As alias name. Next is what, guys? For a table also, what we can do is just that particular table and give a space and then give the alias name. So this is again a way. And let me just show in a very simple way. First of all, whatever the column name is there, just write here A. That means what? The name of that column is changed to A. Table is suppose EMP. Just give a space, write A. The column name is changed to the table name is changed to A. This is one way. Next way is what? Column name. Now what I will do as B. So now the name of the column is written as B. Table name. Suppose the table name is EMP. So what I will write as B. So now the table name of EMP is changed to what?
B.
B. Okay.
B.
This is second way. Third way is suppose the column name. Okay. So what I will write here C. So now the column name is changed to C, and suppose the table name. So what I can write? I can write what? Double quotation D. So now the table name is changed to D. Did you understood all the three ways how to use the column name, alias name? Tell me. Tell me, guys, yes or no?
So why we need alias name for?
Because in real time the table names are very long. Okay, so it is now it is of 20 lines, so you cannot remember the table names always while using the join. You will have to copy paste always. So instead of that, we'll just write A, B, C to make it simple. Are you able to understand?
Okay, understood.
What about Ramya? Did you understood this alias name?
Yes, Vikram.
What about Sangeeta? Yeah. So this is the way we will write down. Okay, now let us just see. We have understood this. So now tell me, guys, just tell me you to use EMP name. So EMP A, that means what is the name of the EMP table now, guys? Can you just tell me?
A.
Now, comma, DEPT, suppose now B. What is the table name of DEPT now, guys?
B.
B. Now I have to join this A and B. So what should I write, guys? Can you tell me the joining condition? Where what will happen? Can you
Where
Yeah.
joins? Okay. A dot department number
equals to what,
equals
Ramya? B dot?
Department number.
That's all. No. Is it easy or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
So A is from which table?
Is from employee table.
Employee table. B is from which table?
Department table.
Are you able to understand, guys? Now, if I want to short it, what I will do? Order by?
Ordered by A dot department number.
Is it simple or is it difficult? Everyone tells join is very difficult. So I just want to know, is it simple or difficult? Tell me, guys.
Now, simple. As of now, simple.
Simple, no. Yes or no? Can you now put the
Yes.
join? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now we'll go to the Oracle native method and join the table. So how can I join? Select star from EMPA. Okay. Just you have to write join. Okay. Department B, guys, concentrate here. This is an actual join. This is native join. Please concentrate. This is native join. How to use this process? So let's start from EMPA, join DPTB. Then what I have to do, guys? Instead of where, we will use on. We will use on. Keep your eyes and ears completely open. Instead of where, we will use on. Are you able to understand? On A dot what, guys? Department number equals to what? B dot department number. Did you understood this? Must tell me yes or no. Tell me yes or no, guys.
Yes. So this join is means it's a which join that we are putting on.
This is an Oracle native method where we'll put the entire name we have to give. This is a Oracle native method. This is Oracle proprietary method. You don't remember the name, but you should remember the process. This is what we can give a full name. This is what we have to give comma. Here we will use where in Oracle proprietary method or general method. This is Oracle native method. Here we have to use on. Did you understood this much? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
What about Ramya and all?
Yes,
Nagarjun?
Yeah, yes, Vikram.
Guys, joins should be very, very clear. This is one more way. So all the three ways I told you. What is the first way? Using the table name. What is the second way? Using the alias name. What is the third way I told you? Using Oracle native method. All the three ways I told you. Did you understood now the equi-join? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Guys, it takes time to understand joins. So I want your concept to be completely neatly understood. Let it take time, but you have to understand joins. So guys, if I want employee name from employee table and location from department table, how can I get? Can you just someone tell me the query? Suppose I want to
Select
get the employee name. So what I have to write? Select.
ename from
So ename, suppose I am
EMP.
giving an alias name A. Okay. So A
Okay.
dot ename,
ename
comma B dot location.
location.
From where?
Employee
EMP A, comma what? Comma what?
Dep yes, department B.
Comma department B. Now
B.
how to join it?
Will join by
Where? Where? Where what?
where? Okay, where A
A
dot
dot
where A dot
name.
department number equals to
equals to.
B dot department number.
That's all, guys. Is it very difficult or easy? Tell me yes or no.
It's a bit confusing.
What is the
Confused.
confusion? See, this is the
No,
EMP
it's
table.
because yeah.
See, you are taking ename from which table? First of all, think this column from which table? So which column, which
Okay.
table? Which column, which table? This column from this table. This column from this table. So now if I want to use this column from this table, I will have to use B dot location because I have given the name as B to department table. This column from this table. So what we'll have to do? A means what? A is the EMP table. So this table from this column, ename. And then how to join it? A dot department number goes to B dot department number. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So can you
Sir, one question, sir. Suppose in that native method, okay. So wherever we put a comma, we have to write joins, right?
let us write down. Okay, let us write down. Suppose same query. How will I write? Tell me. A dot ename.
Ename.
B
join,
dot B dot
location.
from what?
From
EMP A.
EMP A.
What I will write here? Join.
Join. Okay.
Instead of comma, what I am writing?
Join.
Then what I have to write? DEPT
Department B.
B. Then what I have to write?
On.
Instead of where, what I have to write?
On.
On. Then what is the joining condition?
A dot department number.
Equals to what?
B dot department number.
Is it difficult or easy?
It's easy now.
Yes.
So this is a table. Select a star from EMP. And this is a table. Select a star from DEPT. So what I want is that you display me a job and manager date from employee table and department name from department table. So can you write a query? Write a
So
query.
job and manager.
I am writing the query. Okay. Write a query to get job and manager number. Okay. Manager number. To get the job manager and manager number and what? Department name from EMP and DPT table. So can you just write down this query first?
To get job and manager number. Okay.
Is it done, guys? This simple, no?
Once.
A dot job, A dot MGR, B dot DNAME from EMPA, join department B on A dot department is B dot. Is it difficult, guys, or easy? Tell me yes or no.
Yeah, easy, sir.
Easy, no? It's very, very easy.
Yes.
So if it is very, very easy, you have understood equi join. So let us write a query to find department-wise maximum salary
Department wise.
I'll tell you the query. Wait. I want what? Department-wise maximum salary and their department name. Can you just try? Department-wise maximum salary and their department name. Do you need the query to get department-wise maximum salary? What is the query?
The max of
Yeah.
Select.
What is the query to get the department-wise maximum salary? Can someone tell me? Select department number, comma what?
Maximum cell
From
from
EMP
EMP
group by department number.
by department number.
So this will give department-wise maximum salary. If I want the department name also, how can I get it?
Select D name.
Yeah, write down the query now. See, if I want department name, I can get it from this table. So now this is the hint. Now, how can you get both? Department-wise maximum salary and their corresponding department names also. Both I want now.
Okay.
Yes, Sangeeta has tried a query. This A you have to give inside this bracket, okay? No, guys, this is not the correct query, Sangeeta. What are the rules I have told you? Whatever column we will take in this select must be present where? After group by. Your all the columns are not present after group by. So this query will generate error. Okay. Rest of you, all of you are trying, or what are you doing now?
Trying.
This is a simple query, guys. Department-wise maximum salary. Just see here now. Leave that what you're doing. Okay. So how to get department-wise maximum salary? First, I want what? Department number. Suppose A is the table. So A dot department number. I want the department name also. So what will be the column here?
A dot department.
No. Department name is in different table, right? Department name is in different table. So I want department
Okay,
name.
V dot department name.
Okay. Then I want maximum of the salary. So what I can write? Max of
Max cell.
from which column? A table. The max of A dot cell. Did you understood these three lines?
Okay.
This is from EMP table. This is from department table. This salary is also from EMP table. Whose name is A. Now what will happen, guys? From what? EMP A, comma, department
V.
B. Now I have to join it. How can I join? Where?
Where
A dot
A dot department number equals to
B
V
dot
dot
department.
department.
Now I have to group it. So what I will write? Group by what? Whatever column you will take in this select must be present after what? Group by, yes or no?
Yes.
Not this aggregate function. We don't have to take this aggregate function in the group by, but whatever column we will take in this select must be present what? After group by. I've told you whatever I say is a rule.
Vikram, even if it is in some other table also, we have to include in it.
Yes. If you not use, see, this is the correct query. Okay. Department name and the department number and their maximum salary. If I will not put, what will happen here, guys? It will generate error. Let us just see if I don't put. Okay. If I suppose I don't put the department name, then what will happen? It will generate error. Let us see. Is it generating error? Yes. What is the
Yes.
error? Group
Not
by,
a group
not
by
a group by expression. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Did you understood what I say, guys? Is a rule. Just keep in your mind whenever you're writing the select query. Did you understood, guys? Equi-join or inner join? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Very good. Excellent. We'll study tomorrow left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, and then we will learn self join. Guys, if you don't attend my yesterday's class, you will never ever understand left, right, and full outer join. You will get always confused. But if you spend 1 hour time in your entire life, you will never have any doubts with respect to all these joins. Okay.